Hello everyone, this is Prithvi Uttarwar. I am research engineer at Paanduv Applications. Paanduv Applications provides scientific software development and consultancy services in the field of computational physics and AI. Today we will see how to install OpenFOAM in Windows system. So I will open the command prompt. In this I will type this simple command wsl-install. So this will ask for permission and so WSL will be installed, and along with WSL Ubuntu's latest version will also be installed. So it's installing WSL. Now Ubuntu is being installed. So WSL and Ubuntu both has been installed. So I will close this command. So our Ubuntu has been installed. Now I will launch the Ubuntu terminal by searching. So in your case this may ask for to set the username and password. So we will continue to install OpenFOAM. So these are the commands we need to run in Ubuntu terminal to install the OpenFOAM. So one by one I will copy these commands. Paste it. So I will copy another command. After this I will run this update command. Then I will install the OpenFOAM using this apt-get install command. So OpenFOAM 11 will be installed. Press enter S. So it will take some time to install the OpenFOAM. After that you can see in your Ubuntu folder where it has been installed. So inside your opt you can see OpenFOAM 11, and along with OpenFOAM Paraview 5.10 will also be installed automatically. So we will now configure bash RC to use OpenFOAM. So we'll copy this command and I will add this path to my bash RC. Now I will invoke the bash RC. Now we can check with this simple command if OpenFOAM has been installed and configured well in bash RC. So I will run this simple form help command. Yeah, so it has run. So we can see that OpenFOAM has been installed. Inside your off folder you can see you have OpenFOAM folder, and you also have these tutorials. You can try and run these tutorials. uh, Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, write into the comment box. And this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Bye bye.